Make a great choice today with 2017 Niro. The Kia Niro provides functionality and fuel economy you would expect from a hybrid crossover. The roomy cabin and elevated seating let you know you're in a crossover vehicle. However, the fantastic miles per gallon rating reminds you that you're still in a hybrid and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.